Welcome to our process showdown. Today we will compare two powerhouse processors, the Intel Core i9 and the AMD Ryzen 9. First, let's take a closer look at the two contenders. The Intel Core i9, known for its exceptional single-thread performance and extensive software compatibility, and the AMD Ryzen 9, celebrated for its multitasking compatibilities, power efficiency, and affordability. Now let's dive into numbers. The Intel Core i9 excels in tasks that rely on single core performance. It is a beast for gaming and tasks like video editing. On the other hand, AMD Ryzen 9 shines when it comes to multi-thread tasking. It is a multitasking marvel and fantastic for content creators. But what about the wallet-friendly factor? The Intel Core i9 does come at a premium, but its sheer power justifies the cost for certain users. The AMD Ryzen 9, on the other hand, offers incredible value for those looking for high performance without breaking the bank. In the end, the choice between these two fantastic processors comes down to our specific needs and budget. For gaming and single-thread tasks, the Intel Core i9 is a top pick. If you are into multitasking and value performance per dollar, the AMD Ryzen 9 is hard to beat.